enya agro kra daje ni poso say no BC students be a obehunu na say book no enhya ne bag ma enhya na moto o ma is serious o many abre o mo ya preparation bia because exams dey o chona o pass ya one kasa feel good nipa o tua school fees no so na nipa ko so I proud na ba ne say ekoya ya anum dey bia na no ye bisa akra ntimi nka nti ye nyina ye momode say ye be preparation ya ye ni ye sua de na ye be sua ni ye se ne be ya exams no due na ultra obe pass kama na bibia aye good ye ne mpanyfo mienu bia eba no education ho nsensem de a eno de omo wo hu nim de ankasa omadwuma omo ya no na ye wo owura OFORI MENSAH or ye Cape Coast Metro Education Training Officer and I so owura Samuel Prince TETTEH on also so Cape Coast Metro Education and the SHS Training Officer omumienu and ye wo mu e wo fiase mpanyfo pacha me mama akwaba eba Coastal TV so yo mene etiefo nyina ne ahwefo nyina so edamase say ye to nsa frem no matimi aba be kan yensa nyankopon hyam ne adwuma pa mo ye amaye ye be se edi BC no ho nkomo additional for sha say esua de se obi invigilator ba na wa sha say prepare no ho ye share district ma me sha say you Mr. OFORI how many examination centers in your this Cape Coast Metro? Obiajoso
Cape Coast Metro Education Directorate there were 12 centers.
Okay.
And not about 10 centers was in high schools.
Okay.
And not 2 were private junior high schools. And this is a Bobodia member with Regis.
Okay.
Academy. For 2 senior high.
Okay.
St. Augustine's, there were 2 centers now. UPSHS.
Okay.
Then Holy Church. Now BECE, Cornelius as well. There was so one center or the University GHS, and so a fresh. That is the first time I visit center.
Okay. It's first now. Okay.
First A and B I UP University Senior High School. Now if you are now, how
okay.
Every day there's some high from your work.
Okay.
Possible university, main university. But academic calendar no name favor. For the winter
okay.
As time goes on, on neck investing neck one.
Okay. Now, answer na be consider say we any examination center no. Enye ma ben sa na ye hwe answer na ya examination center.
Yeah, before the case your pass center. The first thing I consider here security wise.
Okay.
Question the person be do ha. Beni me be diegu. And material maybe a key plan. Another requirement is a new center. So who said run echo 200 and above.
Okay.
It's less than 200 can create a new center. And then we nearby schools so much to me as said Benwa Kakra. Don't travel far from the center.
Okay. Alright, Tete, my member ho. Say and May 30th of April 2026 and China just say 4th May Abba. Say in Prempria Meno Casayano. What can you tell us about logistics in terms of examination papers, even index numbers distribution, any other ones are here for the examination centers? No, are they ready at the same?
Yo, but that's America say Bibia Wabano.
Okay.
Bibia
okay.
Often papers now near able to have a cancer. See in there is a robot room, the obe sheet, Nina Waba cancer. And Nina say, okay, then put your trowa into the actual.
Okay.
Miss Wanda said there, Waba cancer will weigh, will wake, Bibia or extra. As for logistics, say pencils will be used, no so white no provide,
okay,
no so Waba cancer. And Nina sentencing will be an asaka. And see, often there, yeah, crowd, mutuma kede ya crowd pa in terms of logistics and everything. Everything is at
everything. Okay. Now you sure what can say examination papers no shading for writing in na be ready. Sometimes I have issues. Say be more transporter bana. You go time near ka say. So mo say question ni be leak here. What be cover? I go printing new ones at the bar. And so you more transport say ebasa na what's the process I was say go through and sana babeju sentence ho.
Oh, often answer booklet questions na kasazi on normal cancer.
Okay.
On normal security reasons.
Oh, okay.
On normal cancer often answer booklets.
Ni shading sheets na dey.
Cancer.
Okay.
Now questions na say on you go on number.
Okay. I didn't say you move from ahead of time.
Oh, only you can for security reasons. The bamboo hunti, bob papers no bamboo, no salmon or sorti.
Okay.
Inti was in me pigua quima, Oma, internet is from Catcham from one day. Momo Bianu and Dapodo was in a potty bill and back. Of that, you'll be disappointed.
Yeah.
Yet some papa him time waba, he must be waba. Into Bian on Kade, many question to the bro, Akulisama, in Timo from Yaka one. Into ask for questions and say, oh, no, no, she channels to the name of Kawa.
No problem.
On security reasons. But everything is in place.
No problem. Okay. Where the I say Jesus Christ nankasa or ban cross so this is Janankasa no nim da or no Jesus Christ no obeba. Now what about security reasons no MENSAH enko that aspect no on the D-Day make us say me kwakwacho BECE the Jew na you have some security men around that almost say bibia fine some crofo no are they in place now because me bisa so say and then na motion and na must select say nipa we onye security for that particular BECE examination center.
Oh, say your case security za Ghana police no bo bia wo ba.
Okay.
Nti ya track am one most were applying. Nti center bia police personnel. Na mama kei mfontwem. Security no ho ni do kwa ka che mo framan. Nti afa biara o tse yin biara. Yes so wo ni wo de wo be chawo na mo do bo bon wo ban.
Okay.
Nti wo ho a ambobi so ofi agba no.
Eba.
Obeye bibia onse non fata. Offer exams no one. Wo ho a wo te bibia mo bibia wa kototi. Na the papers the papers to kosa. Ka bia paper no bia so policeman or
okay.
Atasa on often escorts.
Okay.
Nti one for question if you why confirm ko center police in come on see on them security reasons. Nti escort bia ka bia or the paper or the center bia policeman wo. In the center bia so policeman wo.
Nice.
Oshe bambo wo sam. Obobo framan vigilators na so that is one ban. Nti when you dey work at chamber frama nguro mama kadam. Nti mo afa bia so mbohu.
Okay.
Wo ho mo wankasa obo wo ban. That's mo wo.
Nda ya me ase. But MENSAH so engineer ho na your incidents are sometimes akrabi control BECE na wabohu unim ne beba na efe yes yembo nsuo yensfa no hospital ne ade. So in terms of medical equipment, in terms of emergency response units for nkola na mo beka control BECE and so no, what can you tell us about that one?
Yo ntina see ebisa better question be there. Abas na wash ho no we select centers. Dem dem nya kan. No the schools nya wo infirmary. Yen SHS nya wo infirmary. Ina dem SHS bi na what kan so. People say UCC on the Ben UCC hospital.
Yeah.
Ina Cornelius so wo infirmary wo.
Okay.
But that's
sir.
Ina the schools nya so wo map bia ama chip zone another urban health centers. Into often apomazan in some was center no so we factor orders into better centers. It's a baby no can and no nya omuka in family no was schools in yason medical personnel often nurse another PA or power one in Tampanala near after one. After so center bia so head teacher and now representative so around
Okay.
Ama you want from to this when health center be kwapa we too my friend na ofo nti na atechefo wo ho and that is from people so wo centers wo mo hwe dem zemi na nti often apomeza nsam so ni nyina ezinya ka ho na yezi for centers nti apomeza so yenwe wo ho wo mo fama no ho na yetu on fo so there afa bia so ba center na obi anzizi
okay
yetu afomba fo bia afo de mama we me show you na kasa ya isem na mo you akasa schools na so you na kasa the exam for control on different from what more cultural schools
sir
nso bia kana ponto ni yem ade bi esu biara manala foko na baba nyam ne pia baba ma atro na atro bi ntuma pass na pass ntasema oye
that's pa Mr. Tete Mr. Ofori mame bra wo so na yenim se students no enyo mu nyina na sebi betimi a function the same way, so we have students who are physically challenged, you see more persons, disabled persons, you know, more persons with disabilities. Some I believe that provisions have been made for students, you know. And also, what can you tell us about that?
No, that's it. School for the deaf and branch.
Yeah.
That keep deaf. And see, much from the Holy Child Center.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, mom later, which means sign or more language, no. You know, show on soon. Teacher show on soon. And I'm later, no, so to me sign language, no.
Okay.
Now, brand from Sociama, back home, support one more exams from home. Say, be no person you more as a person or you be more. Dinner is in place. Until visitors of my shop with Hansel and soon now. And they are to Naquem. And I want to be so normal stream, or special schools.
Okay.
And also no, or more travel office. 25 offices. Circular way or trouble, not from question. Until obey has fracture.
Okay.
Circular way, not the Huno and your clients obey here. Enlargement. So enlarge because I
right and
there was not atramano. So enlarge no. Tini now no I got to
okay.
Our could provide me now. We cry about center say when you hear 8. So no be back on here 8.
Okay.
Ni now try bar why for my coin. My 8 in the back. We cry our horse so last year for instance say we call me read also on ramba until public challenge. No the man.
Okay.
Nti or how fast and call from who now. That's
nice. Apart from omo bia omonti asem omonti minkasa ne ohun ade ne ade no ye wo school students bi so omo special schools to say students with autism na de down syndrome enkofo no omo cho bi si ya na
aya wo funu de nkola no kosa me na omo so omo ne nam kaka no wie no nko na se use JHS omo ne name by registration na normally school authority no challenges no more so ko so try but we akwa na akwa ni nyere so betumi ade ayahwe and this ya we no resend their fine once akwa is send the watch for say ya we ya ya fra wo no anu mo di kita ho say school na conduct na mo testimony and so mo say o ba say school we wi a etumi ya nsa by some of ni adom attribute but just stand up and last busy Holy Child Center or stop work nothing one church and it's an obedient to me at amount meant to be amount is a coffin and say often say Banasana no do as a level now Mamma school Nakasa or queer no man certificate so just when I say or Basa school now question man I'm from coffee baby no money but I often found one money name one do have so many time on country exams but I had me but some friend in advance was very stubborn about say per chance that's a standard that's all center control or can to me what the it's up to you
okay it's normally I am more recommend examination and for mom name and san juma bi na more recommend mom in sanity
so challenge now then it's not advisable.
Okay.
Lady can remember school health coordinator. Sorry, school special school coordinator.
Okay.
Aqua assessment. So aqua assessment I who say no. Per assessment no. Aqua to me require refer to UCC assessment center. Sakura there is not team. Leading continue to exams now. Then there are alternative advice. We say, but almost so at least what may be kakra. Be able to me a shady and natural, but very slow. Very slow. Unless I more 1.5 a time that I took a person. A lot of time that doesn't know. A more half account.
Okay.
This is fancy be 1 hour per more this account. Man now 1.5. And she said, I said in the first person to me, school her special school coordinator. Assessment, not the reporter, but a medical doctor be assessment no. Per this, the courier issue your work right on see. And this are Bansana, and say a flower from an animal, it didn't come on.
Okay, somebody answer okay, Mr. OFORI Adase. Mr. TETTEH, I remember school timetable no, I believe sir now it's out for the examination no. Me I run here through the activities from Monday to Friday now no. And I also learned that I'm sure 2 subjects in a day. It's anka round down from Monday to Friday na the various combinations and so na no watch mu ama ye hu se ne hwe ja obi wo na fe no kwa any preparations a obi hu ne ekoso na ono so aboa ne ho extra tanka o my no so anke
my better share a timetable na ma
no problem
man came to there with them special maframan your school bi wo abum my friend special this school nti dem maframan autism dem maframan has down syndrome has on one ko our chance and juma bid making and ekwa abum or opposite passports
office
or show in fact they have a lot of facilities and then that is where these children might be taken, but most of the time I often I have been engine to the young ben
to them
want to now want to say what to manage one son there was school so Ghana National friend Ghana National inclusive basic school no so them go from we were special teachers and so often inclusive to your fra normal children excuse my language your fra so that they will be to learn and learn well to your fra man you who are to me and on them there why my farmer who want for why unity they can also cope and then also into one what management to children sometimes we allow them to write if only the child can write something until so what trouble office one symptom so once we hear enlargement you talk why because or enlargement we so because of what are very slow into one so one more pan one more time become 1 hour into most of the time people say to compare I want a holy child normally a title because they need a lot of time for them to write when we are aware why also one of them leveraging for the moment it's also a small one
okay I mean timetable no has I'm say timetable no about the data 2026 BECE school exams and private exams exams no 2 there was school exams in the say normal school no say it is a paid MA takomudu MA and so and so forth there were private candidates on my TV also exams on the white center white office akotwe on private candidate first nanka on transfer school exams school candidate but and nam say Canada necessary is your money actually the same time to the same question no money actually and Monday both school candidate and private candidate Monday English language at the morning paper English language 2 and 1 then in the afternoon on metro RME 2 and 1 then Tuesday visual studies 2 and 1 in the morning creative arts and then at 1 and at 2 in the afternoon science 2 and 1 that is the Wednesday morning then in the afternoon career technology 2 and 1 then Thursday mathematics 2 and 1 in the morning and then the afternoon Thursday Ghana language then Friday French 2 and 1 in the morning and the afternoon computing 2 and 1 Monday that's the 11th the following week 11th of May. One paper.
Okay.
In the morning. That's the Arabic 2 and 1.
Okay.
So this is a timetable I say through. And the second be far. Why can function here? The exams in Kakra.
Okay.
But can be. Also, exams no more. Yeah. People almost be involved. Vigilators, supervisors, like officials, distributors, monitors, and others. Say, why for introduce some securities? I put some securities in place.
Okay.
They conduct exams. This particular BECE, not this particular BECE, BI directorate no responsibility. Says we will go to the vigilators and supervisors, distributors as well. And the people say it's 12 centers. You create 3 zones. Until we have 3 distributors. Or back one by distribution from the white sector, white office to be centers. And more costs the distributor and then police escort at the cabin.
Okay.
Normally, people no say issues issue time down when I say issue people distributors no here 30 minutes to time. God, you didn't say a issue in time which may leak. We said that we tempted to open.
Yeah.
But I'm also down. Until from white office to a futu holy child and so and so forth. Okay, about 30 minutes there, so we have to do this center. Now issue more. 30 minutes issue more.
Okay.
Now what costs no can what costs with that police officer. There's no way be issue more.
Okay.
Why time now is 9 o'clock no. You do at 10 o'clock now. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay because we have allotted time to the paper. Even though it's at 9 o'clock, start work. But when we do it 11 o'clock now, let's say allotted time 1 hour,
1 hour.
30 minutes now. You have your 1 hour 30 minutes.
Okay.
What I say?
Yeah.
Very good. 1 hour 30 minutes. Until it do sana, that will be done. Now we share time now that was no. But that age man, the timetable no, but timetable now time now open so now ya na do maybe a match. It's at timetable is 9 o'clock. We can never do late.
Okay.
30 minutes late.
Okay.
No problem. What is 30 minutes late maybe do. Na calculate 1 hour.
Okay.
Ya fman kola. And now the person so we could do her. And I am issue man distributor na. Distributor no. Wo hwe e wo e bi ha wo create on friend we know. Who say, hey, paper I'm going to question. Is it today's paper?
Okay.
Because he factor error.
Mistakes.
What I work for a bag instead of English, maybe I'm bag science.
Yeah.
Science is so near a Monday.
Yes.
In case we will know, say, paper issue mammy a Monday paper and English before the alcohol. Now, also as a supervisor on paper on the abroad, no, your wife, your friend Weber, as I was standing time at the abroad. Time would receive me some sign. No one say. Ampa time number a paper na ebetro no eno nom de abra no good as for this champlan so but no a the champlan say mo say na TNT no ninga say go tell mo betro mo so at least bi mo say paper no and touch is very good see and sana if we can master it my
yeah that's it na me ba be so say more subject combinations no by default and now mushe bibi ansa na mai
set timetable no
timetable
yeah and why responsibility but me try me hwe me say eno no because we hwe it is mathematics
okay
on math can paper on the math can Ghana language
okay
you see Ghana language next say we be a language than kasa we should know timpo but mathematics is constant practice every blessed day mathematics Ghana language no say to me this is the best
okay
so I can now ya do language in Kwandia me say that Ghana language me share maths in Kwan
yeah
now we hear first day in so English and then creative arts no English and RME English and RME we say English and RME na do so yeah no we hear be a science Wednesday science and what
career technology.
Yes. Nti pe the way I see I timetable no the why French and computing. Emu da ho. Emu da ho pa sakura bia to me. Or to me ego barit.
Okay, just a motion reading there no na mo dey ahye baby fa ko. And e bia subject a e should dey ideas na mo dey amane e den kaka. Okay. Oh, I think this is very good.
Level no. Omo take level to be omo senior high.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma emu eda ho ma wo.
Okay. Yet was no Mr. Tete, my member ho. Into no ye pesi ehun so say yatro exams na wie. Yatro exams na wie no students ne in fact say even in a particular day mpo no. What are some of the things invigilators be your examination once and the next day preparation be or in between and also say once and for all?
So Mr. Question answer.
Yeah.
As for the invigilation was center one.
Yeah.
We exams now. Or there you what bag my friend then papers.
No.
We how what bag. Teacher we are our students. Already the paper to paper
table
yes because you get a line you know in the certain sequence until we are paper or they just
okay
me am for so what I said paper na play on your was on your property
okay
your mandate is to write in them what sitting there about throw we are in the jam
okay
until we are even yara say look who fear on one was sama I used to me phone calls. Also, on yours a white property. It's a better in a certain sequence. Now you are trying your bag in your ye. Go back no so numbers one. Or they were true. Ama say what Marcos are one is of behind this one you. School business one you.
Okay.
Into that is it. You are now our abo friend. You know I'm out just no uncle. No, I can prepare one for the next paper. But as for invigilation, when you put to one desk numbers, that the patient will do. You make sure that one booklet about room why ready, one pencil ready, razor ready. On your that's the preparation and some of our
okay.
So my phone so or they what's in the phone 30 minutes
before time.
That's
the 30 minutes now paper no bebano.
Paper no bebano. But it's not 30 minutes and the paper no so waba. So but that's 9 o'clock by 8:30 you might be seated.
Yeah.
But my first phone trip, see la first say what shall I see? Let's say I'm about 30 minutes on would take me enter in there was a 1 minute simple.
Okay.
Upon one would take me
room. Okay.
It's a woeful when I would take you now would say yen. One madam cocoon, Uncle Yambano.
Okay.
Men could more train. What's the 30 minutes? I say MBA, what are 30 minutes MBA? Say I'm bad. It's a 1 minute to pop on one, won't say make control. Last year money be no ya tete, especially what simple no ya tete pa. What your English? No what won't a man control. No school near cry near bay. The best hour for one my share yes of papa. In the preparation say the ground to be prepared, table and chairs will be there. You go upon a bet na do when there's no what throw a court na cat na hall. I was in the corner cat na hall for open if you are master to swap up. You know when zaman na for
some of the materials they need some the share examination hall.
Men for calculator so men for this one for which
calculator.
Men watch.
Okay.
Because watch you go no exams calculator now.
Okay.
Men for watch on call. What's on for to be as just handouts. When just some of you on turn.
Okay.
You yamba 1 year before. Won't call you be a phone call. Name of the show on you.
Okay.
And will be on water. Until as for the grounds, you are prepared with the moment. I'm want to show one water on the more. Between what you no one pass years so. I'm a Cape Coast, yes, you
what about Omafadi or Mufambrano?
Will be a bachelor school at who school air one, not tell Chefabra. Who said you check pictures. Oh, yeah, passport pictures. Until I tell a shame to be a Chinese quarter the train. The best way.
Okay.
Will be a Chinese school at Telephone. Will be a man who I'm a waffle so okay.
Yo, let me be say they say no, you share environment to cry examination center no wo anyhow e be see aboa students na me bisa the public no your contribution there anything because obi o ha na making na dwumem eben examination center ho e bia obe use machines bi e be yedida. What can we also do? Yeah, part I be boama environment no for the exams are conducive, quiet enough for students no.
Yes, they making inya ye hwe. In fact, yes set is nyan on benefit biara.
Da me ase.
On ben of friend then ejime bia so a odede baba.
Okay.
Nti ohoti often adi trade na adisuadzi or your kwanjin.
Okay.
I hope bia ni ho. Nem we besre, they making ye besre. The one sha wo adwin bi there wa ka she efu bi
okay
wo adwin bi there obo be na sentence won hwe yi
okay
wo say ye mo dem kwanan ntem ka tore security wo ho nti obi bia so obaba a ode e ho bi zubaba oba ho yin examination oba ho yin ban ye mpenen
sir
nti obi an hye na so sai bi da this time around on ye juma there keep to so say nyame na adom for so many years. The might be so Cape Coast.
Nice.
On the says Marco Marca. The actual Cape Coast is the Madam O'Connor. The answer so school be also near a whole brother.
Okay.
Often as a Mr. Practice. In the Bakori Yabahuban, I'm a DC also by Crabbery.
What about examination malpractices? On sometimes it doesn't involve only the students, teachers, being no so a year near be in the event of an examination malpractice. What are the necessary procedures I was saying go through to ensure that nipa corona or courses examination malpractice no it be a tuna so and also say bibisa
yo makaka kana mamba so boso
yo
mbro ho na meken so wosuma police yenze ye mbred ye shembred mo police wo ho so so mo pel ni wa mo police straight away.
Okay. Whether students or invigilator?
Whichever.
Okay.
Obi biara.
Okay.
Be it students, be it teacher, be it a parent.
Okay.
Or whatever. It's just so much pen. Emo police.
Sir.
Number no reason. After say teacher insha mbra wo ho. Why kwa de che Jesus so ya de che. There's a che ni biara it's supposed to mo dem kwa no dwen. Wala wala tsa kwa budget fi nsem. Atasa nti wo me hwe yi ya chacha so obiara nyim da man bread
okay
ye nyina ye nyim aba bon dehul it's part of our code of conduct ye nyim nti bi dire teacher bi anyiwa oze ne dwuma ne dwumazi opoto chacha nyina foto so ye hwe yi so ma abofo kwapa be yenso kwapa baba ne for some time nti me be so do
yo Mr. FORI and that's what's my
yo say I said football exams. I said football match. You have rules and regulations govern it.
Yes.
And you have do's and don'ts. In the first place, let me say, I for the ball candidate in our phone, general public, the mobile phones.
Okay.
To exams room, even to the center. That one is we our phone must supervise.
Okay.
If they come and find phone on you, exams hall. Hand over my police. We invitate only question for phone must provide.
Okay.
Supervisor no. Team be possible so.
Okay.
Why for friend no? Yes for friend no. We friend no how things are going.
Yeah.
Me take the phone at any time. Yeah. But invitate yeah make sure say hand phone over. E dey ama supervisor. We are going to don't venture.
Don't venture.
So from the core exams hall at all. Okay. And a car maybe to say as foreign materials. I do my say foreign materials and no any paper back even plain sheets. I won't care also.
Okay.
If they find those things on you, it's also foreign material.
Okay.
And then asking your colleague for help. It's also examination malpractice.
Okay.
Asking the leader to assist you. If you are ben room hono, be no. I saw months little about one chain. Mr. Sadiade, oh, me here pencil, okay, me here pen or ama or medicine or bayamo. But one sign show Angie and now conquerji. There be. And now before enter exams hall, and yet it is related to search you.
Okay.
As a student, I embrace myself while we were for searching. Now, the be a catch on and say, we are or be a man who quite now Bemba and search you. Is your right?
Okay.
It's the be at be critical. Make sure say man ya fa so that man no to me asechi nkwala no man no ansa na o mind ta na what chance so start work won di 30 minutes won't mean 6 out.
Okay.
And friends be paper no 9 o'clock start work within 10 minutes now say go out. No. Unless you spend 30 minutes before what me am go out. Now we cause so police can escort.
Okay.
That's what I said.
Okay.
In the of time so be let's over research. So konya po set it. And Brian's engagement. We say you are mo ba po bu mo sra.
Omo tro mo ken nankasa.
Mo mi ase. Many man ma ko hwe sra. Say people dey sra. Mo ba po bu mo sra. Look our handkerchief. Wa ba po negum. But bompire na enchiw. The first thing our officials it do exams hall where we say omo ten paper no question paper no.
Okay.
I say what would D and witness number. That's the first thing they do.
Yeah.
Into the first one when we person officer or yeah more than parties. Into D witness number. Omo who say na fine. Momo who it means if you no because swap.
Okay.
And now you are prepared to
swap.
You are here to swap.
Attempted to do.
Into the first one, the people to an impair except to me throw next number. And you would deal with
okay.
And at times I am crying I'm into mass. I'm into mass. Say people by do anymore just few minutes now best I don't know. Because why can watch and I'm crying 5 minutes. Not part of their time.
Yeah.
And 5 minutes, I'm find information. And then cut time now the treasures.
Okay.
I am person betrayed. And person can be far a offense the same card no.
Okay.
Scannable sheet. Who say maybe the catch and call for say exams so pass here do not now a bit test. We begin this one. So we make good grades on it.
Yeah.
Fun how to sheet.
Wow.
Shading no shading cover you vertically. It's not this.
Okay.
It's not horizontal.
All right.
Man is simple.
Say.
Deep no. Dark no.
Okay.
Because here we requirement never mark your mouth. Machine.
Sir.
Must watch now machine mark your mouth. And so when she be machine to me mark your mouth. Two. Within any next manual, they are pre-printed.
Okay.
Why if we did not printed card now we didn't order that. And next order that. In the idea sorry answer we should do the next time.
Okay.
We should do we are and one answer was follow instructions. Maybe I'm catching a conference say is answer be our 30% or 40% a part of the passing my instructions.
Understanding of the
exactly instructions. Yes, instructions. Because answer to answer 4. Answer 2 answer 3. It's na ediumbre. And then class one say paper no much answer some more exams na. Mom will sit me now on a particular one particular question.
Untimi
Say obi o so o me di sense one question but try any time na. I say wa portion time no.
Okay.
A portion time say oh let's spend 30 minutes for question we ho. Let's spend minutes one. And then again say the paper na so ho asem. Akra bi o ho na we see 2 answers for a question. Zero.
Okay.
You not be there to answer. Say when the campus me. No, it is what she did A. When we say wait. Yes, so papa. No, we say the next one B O C C I will say correct. No, we say no.
Yeah.
But we say to Nabuma is 0.
Yeah.
Which is what? And then make sure say within there also. The man one e bia him error. We na that 20 no. Ya wo dia.
Na nya wo dia.
Esa mo so. Pepe bi oha what na house so this time say no supplementary sheet. In those days, we try one supplementary sheet. No and then no supplementary sheet.
Yeah.
Some of the questions here constraint. That is answer question one as a question paper. Once a question will answer booklet.
Okay.
So the question paper.
A question paper now.
Example, computing in French.
Okay.
Answer. Ntia more answer booklet. But where more answer booklet no? Which me try booklet na for I must say more graph sheet until you can still write in the graphs.
Okay.
Without raising your hand for supplementary
sheets. Okay.
What you say? And then rough work ubi last page na na say last button page na what my rough work or how we are what nkola no me say on divide a mo rush entwom on twen on kwa answer question foforo and no answer we yi answer why dey
oba betwem okay.
And then again every question we answer will get 2 lines
before the next one.
Exactly. Example is just say A B C D E. Into answer A we are na we could be na get 2 lines.
Okay.
And so could be in so.
Okay.
We will be na get 2 lines and so we see in that order.
Okay.
And then one we person answer number 2. If we are workshop pages no one page no a kabaye 20 lines. Oh, what's I mean so question to me so. Almost there be.
Okay.
Open first page.
Okay.
And start the first question.
Okay.
And it's a part of the instructions. And then which question which we are. Don't write anything. Oh, I'm a beautiful lady. Please consider me. Some even put their pictures there.
Hey.
And money.
Oh.
Mark and who's a papa, the paper be held.
Wow.
By mobile phone day, you choose who their entire resource be cancelled.
Cancelled. Wow.
Entire resource. And then I first will device be able to detect who say my copy. Oh yeah, device or question 1. A was say the A. Any of you have a question 2 A. It's a until we have device on to detect it now.
Okay.
And then the whole school result be cancelled.
The whole school.
Yes. Say see one and see one center and see the whole candidate no more piano. So the person will be cancelled.
Wow.
Very good. And why before there's to no come say. And we almost can't change by any ability in sanity. And friends say St. Augustine Center A and B. Sent a bill paper code.
Okay.
The content of the question papers are the same, but numbering are not the same.
Okay.
The question 1, center A, question 1. I was center B, question 3.
3. Okay.
Or 10.
Okay.
Content are the same. Numbering are not the same. In some way, I say, I could go one home.
Okay.
Until people are saying, until Miss Monica say, I say question 3. Maybe I don't know center A, you know, so center B. That's what the moment. One answer.
Okay.
What I say? And I say, be one question for one term. Until the power for paper leaky. Okay. My 1 A, my 2 B, my 3 Baba. Hey, question maba.
Uju ha on kind for.
Defense center code member. The code na need. What it tell.
Okay.
And then class so we are find the papers no go washroom.
Oh.
Until 1 2 na me come out. 1 2. Until baby say we say guess untumi nkotimi wo ho. It's just na be jam washroom na no e twen. So you can't even enter.
Okay.
The structure from me I often say Cape Coast resource na brother kan no e general resource. So when say akola bi enya grade 20 wo Cape ha. And then I call service engagement. We can say akola bi no wa bon wo school pa. No me call AAK district class B. Onya 08.
Wow.
No school no Cape on best no. Onya 25.
Wow.
The Cape Coast resource and no support, no aid. One self strength. Timmy has respect Cape Coast resource. Then say the which friend of the try. Nancy ba when you piano. This in high school had a better. Kwesi guys kwa hadi. Kipo kolana mfiki po munya admission ho with 20 something and I said 15 16. Kwa hadi omeno. But one do is back they are struggling. Not to say alone. Other schools cut across. What do just about who pen we machine.
Okay.
Esa akola bi I say prepare exams na. My friends go say to me yeah. Da pa. Come class for to mu aye.
Come for class by me.
Yes. Yeah. Then the course we because so. Until we later na say supervisors na say why officials say ba. Number check for be say. Ni wula kwa twetwo ABC do so a. Later never cycle. E mo ya adwuma bi.
Oh, okay.
One section ye.
Okay.
So section is very very important. What's the chapter in here? Say the mission for this in NC. Section NC. What's section NC? Nta we can broadcast more bia mfa sure na canvas bia nko. No socks.
Oh, you just socks kan.
No. Not even socks.
Okay.
I'm going to me who say we be an bano.
People be an show na say
visa. But nyeke posi ha.
Okay.
Unse senior high school for na emigration mai. because I from school to man invigilation. Ntakwa no nim no. Ba ko das other centers na that is na. Teachers na from primary school na bi.
Okay.
The keep they want to me Jimmy when he said at all. Inti keep they I can rise the share no. Ya man penifo ba to ho say not in Cape Coast. Central had the AWS be busy by Cape Coast.
Yeah.
Apo ya dibia awofo so we also factor.
Okay.
Awofo bi holy chat. No like official because of course also okona nyanko say oji ma de kwa afama me be mami. Na do bi require say authority net no.
Okay.
I question then or the buy so that umfa be ma na chanko. Headmistress na jiyo, headmistress na jiye. Was a back official the koi not no phone shi.
Oh.
The ben fan day was school. My minister of the white officials me very papa is am say as on no more or church say my me no nyanko na suma nyanko san kan say bi ade she mini. Tawofo no ye ka ho bi. Say mpese me ba no pass ye. Enti kwan bia so say me kwan wo fom. Na o pass. Bi mu awofo kwan bia eto.
Wow. Motapo no.
Eto no. And why this time first now we pan leak your white sauce. This time run I can really say any center for the happy. Buy no break and picture and back official kind. More you pictures. On that to WhatsApp.
Wow.
Marketing group. Work here. No more assessment to say group no so. But your chill so I spell. Sir. Right for nobody.
Sir.
Send an our full school for at your from related devices. It's in I can't boom. Na may peaceful. It's an say why Japan send a wojino. Skana would never question. I hear na woji. And could you believe Sampalaba no in Nakohidi? Sampalaba, I played in Nakohidi. They can't lie.
Yes.
She said my man of a cash now say can say by mistake from Colano who say don't lie. O buano o paper out of Becca.
Yeah, Becca. Was it a real crab boy? Oh, Becca.
Until the bonnet will say, make it be and try say. But I didn't say, near a boy him what you are home, maybe before a jam. The best I'm crying in your best good seeing, but it's good to say best. And much now the two who say, because school. Sir. Me school ne Cape Coast metro nya po me certificates ne legitimate ankasa nya po ha say na ye hwehwe no imperial ka bebre rules and regulations no o ma listen one by one of bia a state and explain and o ye no o state na wa explain no state na wa explain when you actually say you don't have an excuse you don't have an excuse so because say oh na minimo wonim what say ye kan no ekowaso ye no wanfa nya edwa wani da ho eba ne sanso a eba ne so mo a ene ubedi pa na ye beda mpemfo so ase owura OFORI MENSAH ene owura Samuel Prince TETTEH omieni nyina Cape Coast Metro Education Training Officers and na ye nyomo ofiase ya ye no mo edin community so we say they are experts in ade na omo ka ho asem no omo nim omo ka and omo ka ne sa and you don't have an excuse cry BECE nyame ya doma Monday Jode di ani ya no ebe sha ase students nyina ni parents teachers obia sha ase preparations by now obia round up obia yes summary na che say bibia akoso nyampa Monday Coastal TV ebe we share this for you now all the best yakopon kam ho no moam na ne emosia no so muju examination officer ho na anya fi na ore bia bi fi ne mu no obekai vigilators na dia so yakopon ema mo ahoden na omama mo che na mo betimi e dia ahwe onkola yi so enim se bi mo aso odin but ya na aboche so aye ejuma Ashofo ne sefo mahweye from 7 o'clock ye share Coastal TV morning mix na say ebesi sese ya akabe 2 minutes per na ye dijumedie no aba na wie no ye beda munyina ase se that bia no modi mafidie at Coastal TV digital channel 514 and as some mo share your Facebook and YouTube nyina so no ye ni so ade a mo ye na ye ntimi nkan na ye nja ya boafo so e we tire de biara da
and into no ya de aseda ni bi ma National Petroleum Authority omo se yanka cho say aba wo bomodin na wo use gas no na wo bomodin aso say atorenchen bi te say tanker nya accident no onko ben ho na anko fastem amfa mreo omo se yanka sa asemi na yemfa enjao diesel gas shop enso ewo Intervention Junction o se yanka cho say gift bi a wo hwehwe de ama udofo bi wunua bi anniversary bi na opel gift nice one bi e de ache obi a bomodin na fo woni hwem wo ho na wonsa no ebeka na yemfa aseda ni bi enso ema Men's Hardware and Finishes or say a dino from Krenken to Krankan he's got you covered bomodin na ko ho paint ahodo nyina so no ubenya bi ewo ho e wo sanso wo home appliances e betumi de asiesie ofie ama life aye easy ama ni nyina bomodin na ko Men's Hardware and Finishes omo opposite Cape FM ewo ogwa hase na wonsa beka bi the taste kitchen services so e or say aduane papa fie bomodin na fo woni hyem wo ho owo Abra Market Kofi Apon Stores ehwa na the taste kitchen services o hwehwe o machi kwan a ubehu wo mo aduane ben na wo pe fo woni hyem wo ho na wonsa ebeka Nestor Ventures as see and can show say electrical gadgets no home appliances also our light bulbs or TVs or from washroom to living room to bedroom to again now Nestor Ventures now in Sabeka omo Abra opposite Methodist Church hono ehwa enomo wa say wo hwehwe Nestor Ventures a onsa ebeka wo mo anopay ti my no mu ye ejuma no Ben yaminsha ejei ene Philip yakopon ensha mo pa ne mabuche anytime ade bia munya ede ma yejuma ayeye ofia say juma de mene Omar bin Abdallah na esha say na me anso medino ede AFIBA ESSIEN yabeda Mr. OFORI MENSAH and Mr. Samuel Prince TETTEH yabeda mase menim se mo ba chi obi ansa na yakwa
yo ibe chair yezi discuss of my metro director
okay
Mr. Thomas Kofi nyama odi gba kwem offer BECE na wasi examination ayamne pia ejoda ezika shadow nimde mo frama ze akachi obiara was busy juma
sir
yebada ya chechefu nyina ase woduma zima suna wedi what that prepare mo frama ebi dem don hwiri yedisi de nyamboto to pay gudo amadwumezi bia wezi biara wanye kwa
sir
yebe chair Cape Coast Metro Education Directorate fu nyina de woboye chidom abibiara yebada onase
yo
that's me chata mbada shas metro so
okay it was all
bema MCE Metro Assembly
okay
every year bia no almost support here with vehicles
okay
because efforts in the cars in the car back up every bia no almost boy e to me kofa my cars media distribution
yo
nti yes na fees so when is my and then me chia military and supervisors no says me I with so many years 20 plus years up to now no I ent okay position to be pem down I feel so no wo de omo ye nka se mti modern now we busu ho ban because if I say do such a few say ma be say adwuma ye ti message won say omo fa mra no ye adwuma sa omo hwe human factor bia wo mfa ye adwuma na ye successful my nti Mr. Won na nkola so bia comporting who was dance hall na bibia nwi asomwie and last year enya issue kakra akra ko treasure so o gas oba nya ko nhia mo free message last day eni je no omotom boase na jiwani because when am car kwa na traffic can ko bo praja na o hit motor no anu aka se bi wow message say ko treasure so ni wi na wo ba yo muna no be foka wo ba omo ya hweye e wo kwa ho acha fon so endi o machi ana say omo nka ho wa bra omo atwa na wi a omo be fie from the beginning to the end from Monday to the following week Monday na asumdwe enye adwuma ndawase
enso ye dance papa
adade de won so ase
okay okay
omo dem kitemuzi onko dem
okay
ntumi yembo adesua wo debu nche
Yo.
Nse so mo try wasi.
Yes, what is so good so
so mo fa type.
Yate.
Na mo fa.
Yate. Ye benya mrefofo no yaka no so e ho asem. Modern masen so dey na o say me so me extend to me CEO, Mrs. Nyomi. Ono anso na o ma yakonya ye betena ha ye giant yetimi ye ne mo kasa. Nti no e be kasa Mrs. Nyomi Nyame ensure pa ne akonya de bia o de ma he. Ano ma che odua so a ogebo. Nti no e baba ne sa no so na se ye jamu ne ye di musi ase na ye pensuo bi maka che Coastal TV there 24/7 24-hour economy ye start here dey start here nyene 24/7 ye wo ha say nti no so we hu mo screen so bi mu pa na ye wo other activities a ya hyehya ye de bebrewa we so e be ma we anije na wetua bibi nso afri mu nti no ha ne ye di mu besi na nyame boa e chena May Day Workers Day ye bi sanso Asia mo ma bai